Planning a trip to Istanbul? You must watch this video before you visit. We are taking you through the top 10 must-visit places in this beautiful city. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring Istanbul, Turkey, and we have put together a guide to the top 10 places you cannot miss. So let's get started. Number 1. Basilica Cistern. Basilica Cistern was built in the 6th century by Emperor Justinian. This huge underground water tank has 336 marble columns and 2 mysterious Medusa heads at the corners. It feels very magical and a little spooky, perfect for photos and history lovers. For the Basilica Cistern, you can buy tickets online or at the entrance on the same day. If you go before 12 pm, there are usually very few people, so it's easy to buy your ticket at the counter and go inside. After 12 pm, it gets a bit busier, but don't worry, you can buy an online ticket with the skip the queue option to save time. If you want an audio guide, you can also purchase that online for about $55 and the skip the queue ticket cost around $58 per person. Number 2. Blue Mosque. The iconic Blue Mosque, famous for its stunning blue tiles and impressive architecture. For the Blue Mosque, there is no entrance fee. You need to take off your shoes before entering to the mosque. Our guide recommended us bringing your own bag to carry your shoes because the shoe racks can get very crowded. Also, you need to cover your head with a scarf. If you don't have one, they will provide it for you. If you are wearing shorts, they will also provide a covering so you are dressed modestly inside.
Please wear your shoes outside the platform.
Number 3. Sultanahmet Square. It is the heart of old Istanbul, right next to the Blue Mosque. This historic square has fountains, statues, and it's free to enter and a great place to take photos and feel the city's vibe. There are lots of restaurants and cafes around where you can taste traditional Turkish foods. Number 4. Bosphorus Dinner Cruise. A trip to Istanbul isn't complete without a Bosphorus dinner cruise. You sail between Europe and Asia sides. We chose the Megalofa yacht, which includes traditional dance performances and a night show. There's a wide variety of traditional Turkish food and drinks included. Tickets cost around $45 per person and you can purchase them online in advance to secure your spot. Watch until end of our video. You can watch our Turkey tour updates from our Facebook page and also our TikTok account. I will attach the links description below. Number 5. Ortakoy Mosque. This mosque sits right on the Bosphorus and the view with the bridge in the background is just amazing. It's perfect for photos. Around the square, there are lots of street food stalls and you can try a Turkish bagel or other local snacks. Best of all, visiting the mosque is free, so you can just enjoy the view and the atmosphere. Number 6. Umbrella Street. As soon as you enter the umbrella street, you will see colorful umbrellas hanging overhead. It's so cheerful and photogenic, perfect for pictures. There's no ticket needed here, just enjoy walking and taking photos. The street is also lined with small shops and cafes, so you can grab a coffee while enjoying the view. Number 7. Galata Tower. Next up is the famous Galata Tower. If you want, you can climb to the top and get panoramic views of Istanbul. Sunset from here is absolutely magical. And you can buy tickets around 100 Turkish lira per person, and you can buy them online or at the entrance. Number 8. Galata Tower View Café. Right nearby, we stopped at a cafe with a view of Galata Tower. And we tried the famous Sebastian cheesecake while enjoying the view of the tower. It's a nice break after walking around and you don't need a ticket, just order something and relax. Sitting here with a coffee and watching the tower is really peaceful. Number 9. Walking around Galata Tower Street. This street leads up to Galata Tower. It's full of small shops, cafes and souvenir stores, so you can really feel the local vibe. It's a great place to explore, shop a little and take photos. Number 10. Grand Bazar. Finally, we visited the Grand Bazar, one of the largest covered market in the world. You can find spices, carpets, jewelry and souvenirs everywhere. The colors, the energy and the hustle and bustle here are incredible. Entrance is free and the bazaar is usually open from 9 am to 7 pm. Although some shops may close on Sundays. So don't forget to haggle a little. It's a part of the fun. That's it for our top 10 Istanbul must visit places. Which one would you love to visit first? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos. See you in the next vlog. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.